Good evening, class 9 IX, subject optional mathematics, PLE model, part 2. I am going to solve some problems. Question number 16, prove that sec a minus tan a plus 1 upon 1 plus sec a plus tan a equal 1 minus sin a by cos a, or sec a minus tan a. Here 1, 2, 3 terms. There are 3 terms, but there are only 2 terms. यहाँ तीनटा छ sec a tan a 1. यहाँ चाहिँ 1 minus sin a 1 upon cos sin minus दुईटा छ भने यस्तो अवस्थामा माथिको 1 लाई sec tan मा चेन्ज गरेर गर्न सकिन्छ. लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड इक्वल फर्स्ट कपी इट sec a minus tan a plus 1 upon 1 plus sec a plus tan a. What should be done? Sec a minus tan a, same. Sec a minus tan a plus this 1 is sec square a minus tan square a. यहाँ प्लस छ, प्लस ब्रैकेट चाहिदैन, माइनस भयो ब्रैकेट चाहिन्छ. If there is minus, you have to use a bracket. Denominator same denominator 1 plus sec a plus tan a. For long questions you have to write down the complete process. Here what is common? 1 is common. Sec a minus tan a plus a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b upon 1 plus sec a plus tan a. के गर्यो? फर्स्ट सेकेन्ड 1 कमन sec a minus tan a plus a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b. Now what is common? Take common. अब बाँकी रहेको यसमा र यसमा कमन लिने. इक्वल sec a minus tan a is common. Sec a minus tan a common. Use a curly bracket 1. If there is nothing, 1 is left. Plus this is common. Sec a plus tan a is left. Sec a plus tan a small bracket curly bracket is left. Down 1 plus sec a plus tan a. यसमा के देखियो? त्यो काटेर पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. Prove that left side 1 changes to sec square a minus tan square a. This is a plus b into a minus b गर्ने. Denominator sec a minus tan a common. Take sec a minus tan a common. Here 1 is left, write 1 plus sec a plus tan a. Denominator same. You write down the denominator same. Denominator चाहिँ हामीले सेम राखेर हिसाबहरू गर्न सकिन्छ. What is left? Sec a minus tan a. 1 plus sec a plus tan a upon 1 plus sec a plus tan a. Cancel like term. What is left? Sec a minus tan a is left. Sec a 1 by cos a, tan a sin a upon cos a, 1 minus sin a upon cos a. right hand side के गर्यो? 1 लाई sec square a minus change sec square a minus tan square a equal 1. a plus b a minus b. Take sec a minus tan a common. Remaining is 1 plus sec a plus tan a. Denominator 1 plus sec a plus tan a. Cancel like terms. Sec a minus tan a. 1 by cos tan sin by cos. Take LCM RHS proof. Another question, question number 17. Question number 17 is this: if tan theta equal 2 by 3, find the value of 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta upon 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. How to find the value? See, how to find the value? First of all, solution. Either there are two ways: tan theta p by b, find h and use the value, or tan भनेको sin by cos, dividing both sides by dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Given is tan theta equal 2 by 3. We have to find the value of this. Either p by b, there are two ways. First way is p by b, find h and use the value. First method. Second method, directly. Here 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta upon 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. How to get tan theta? Tan equal like numerator denominator divide by cos. 3 sin theta by cos theta minus 2 cos theta by cos theta upon 3 sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by cos theta. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, cancel 3 sin by cos, tan theta minus 2, 3 tan theta plus 2, 3. What is the value of tan theta? 2 by 3 minus 2, 3 3 cancel, 3 2 by 3 plus 2, 3 3 cancel. What is it? 2 minus 2 upon 2 plus 2. 0 by 4 equal 0. 0 by 4 equal 0. But if there is no 3 and 2, we have to, there is a certain value. Certain value also, so here is 0 है. By chance 0 है. If 0 does not come, take LCM and you can try. Find the numerical value. Dividing the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Here you have to write down dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Divide by cos, 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 cos. Don't divide numerator only. Divide both numerator and denominator. माथि र तल दुवैलाई डिभाइड गर्नुपर्छ. Another question is also there. Question number 20. Find the first or lower quartile, sixth decile and 40th percentile of the question is as follows: x 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 4, 16, 14, 15, 5, 2. Students are advised to check the question. यो क्वेसन साइज हिसाब गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि बिफोर सल्भिङ द प्रब्लम यु हेभ टु चेक द क्वेसन लाइक दिस 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Increasing order. Now check the frequency: 5, 4, 15, 16, 25, 14, 35, 15, 45, 5, 55, 2. Now solve it. First of all, write x. After x, write f. Then CF, cumulative frequency. you do? Write 5, then 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. See, frequency 4, 16, 14, 15, 5, 2. Frequency. Shape. Write 14, write 4, 4 plus 16, 20, plus 14, 34. 34 plus 15, 49. 49 plus 5, 54. 54 plus 2, 56. What is the total number? 56. You can count from down. 2, 5, 7, 15, 7, 22, 22 plus 30 plus 4, 56. Total is 56. We have to find first quartile, means Q1, value of n plus 1 by fourth item. What is the formula? Value of n plus 1 by fourth item. N is 56 plus 1 by fourth item. 56 plus 1, 57 by 4. Divide 14.25. 14.2 fifth item. Divide 14.2 fifth item. Where does it lie? 14.25, not here, here. Q1 lies 15. What is value? 15 is the first quartile because it divides the given data into 4 equal parts. Q1 is value of n plus 1 by fourth item. Q3 is 3 times 14.25. Something comes. It may be 35 or 45 here. Another is sixth decile. Sixth decile. Here decile means divide by 10. Percentile. Percent means 100. Decile 10. Sixth one is nth one. The formula is 6 n plus 1 by 10th item. Sixth decile means 6. Write 6 here. Bracket n plus 1 upon 10. 6 is 6. N plus 1 already given, 57 by 10th item. What does it come? 34.2th item. So there also 34.2th item. 34 point. Where does 34.2? Here, not here. 34.2 here. 35 numbers. Not here. So 34.2 here. 34 only. So this part only border here only 35 ma पर्छ. How much? 35. Okay. First of all, x, f. Write shape. Find out shape. 4 plus 16, 20 plus 14, 34, 49 plus 5, 54 plus 2, 56. Q1, value of n plus 1 by fourth item. 14.25 means 15 answer. Sixth decile is 6 into n plus 1 by 10. 6 into 57 by 10. 34.2th item. Yeah, 35. Now, what is left? 40th percentile is left. Yes, 40th percentile is left. So find out. 40th percentile. 40, 40, right? 40 n plus 1 by 100. Percentile. Percent means divide by 100. 40 into n plus 1 is already given, 57 by 100. 0 cancel. Multiply. 22.8th item. 40th percentile is 22.8 item. What is 22.8? Not here, not here. Exactly 25. Exactly 25. 22.8 भनेको यहाँ पर्दैन, यहाँ पर्दैन. 22.8 item lies in here 34. The corresponding value is 25. Therefore, Q1 value. What is Q1? 15. 6 decile. Value of 6 decile 35. 40th percentile is 25. Answer. 40th decile means 40. Yeah, 40. N लेख्ने bracket small n. N plus 1 upon 100. Put the value 22.8. 22.8. 25. Q1 15 here. 6 decile 35 and 40th percentile 25. Answer. Another is also there. You have to find the fourth question number, or not any question number. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Given A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A 3 minus 4, B minus 2 5, C 6 8 are 3 vertices. Find the fourth vertex D if it is opposite to B. B को opposite छ भने fourth vertex को value निकाल्ने. Solution. This is the question. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. You just draw the parallelogram A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Join AC and BD. Value of A is given 3 minus 4 vertex. B value minus 2 5, C 6 8. We don't know the value of D, so let D be D like AB let गर्ने. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A 3 minus 4, B minus 2 5 and C 6 8 are the 3 vertices. The 3 vertices are given. We don't know the fourth vertex. Let D whose coordinates are AB be the fourth vertex. Fourth vertex like हामीले DAB सपोज गर्ने. अब यसमा के हुन्छ? Diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. We know the diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD bisect each other. What is the meaning? It means midpoint of BD and midpoint of AC are equal. AC को midpoint र BD को midpoint के हुन्छ? Equal हुन्छ. Because ABCD is a parallelogram given. Bisect each other means it means midpoint of BD equal midpoint of AC. BD को midpoint, AC को midpoint equal. What is the formula of midpoint? X1 plus X2 by 2 up, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2 दुवैतिर or BD BD x1 y1 x2 y2. See x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 equal here AC midpoint of AC x1 plus x2 3 plus 6 by 2 comma minus 4 plus 8 by 2 midpoint. What is the formula midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the using the midpoint formula. Midpoint of BD is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. In the same way, midpoint of AC x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 x2 अगाडि y1 y2 पछाडिको. Now equating like terms 2 2 2 2 cancel or 4. This is a minus 2 5 plus b equal 2 2 सबैलाई cancel गरेर 9 4 cancelling 2 from all sides. सबैको 2 लाई हटाइदियो. Now equating like terms. पहिला के गर्यो? ABCD is a parallelogram. The diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at a point O. AC given, ABC given, D is unknown. We have to find D, AB. Suppose D vertex is AB. We know midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here also same. 2 2 cancel from all sides. Domain range. Equating like terms. Now what you do? Equating like terms are corresponding elements. Equating the corresponding elements. What will you get? If we equate a minus 2 equal 9, a minus 2 equal 9 equation number 1 and b 5 plus b equal 4 equation number 2. From equation 1 a equal 9 plus 2 equal minus 2 plus 2. From equation 2 b equal 4 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 minus 1. Therefore DAB equal a 11 comma minus 1 answer. So DAB is the fourth vertex. DAB is 11 comma minus 4. You can check. How to check? Yeah, check the tariqa. 11 minus 2 9. 6 plus 3 9. Correct. 5 minus 1 4. 8 minus 4 4. The answer is correct. 11 minus 1 is the fourth vertex D because ABCD is a parallelogram. The diagonals bisect each other. Here don't use the distance formula. यसमा distance formula use नगर्ने. AB equal CD, AD equal BC बाट लेन्थी हुन्छ, धेरै लामो हुन्छ र use midpoint formula. Now, proceed with the last question. Question number 24. Out theorem. Out theorem means in option math vector theorem. Vector theorem or extra question. Out question. Question number 24. See, I draw. ABCD is a parallelogram. G is the point of intersection of all the diagonals. O is any point. O is any point anywhere here outside the parallelogram. What is the question? The question is as follows: A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Diagonals AC and BD bisect. Not only cut, because ABCD is a parallelogram, so AC and BD bisect each other at G. ABCD प्यारोग्राम हो, समानान्तर चतुर्भुज हो, विकर्ण एसी र बीडी एक आपसमा जी पोइन्टमा सन्धि भाजन हुन्छ। एसी एन्ड बीडी बाइसेक्ट इच अदर एट द पोइन्ट जी। ओ इज एन एक्सटर्नल पोइन्ट, any point either inside or outside the parallelogram. What to prove? Prove vectorially that OA vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OC plus vector OD equal 4 vector OG. This is the question. The question is lengthy. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, AC and BD are diagonals which bisect each other at point G. O is an external point. OA, OB, OC, OG and OD are joined. Prove vectorially that OA, vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OC plus vector OD equal 4 times vector OG. This is the question. Then how to solve? Let me rub the question to write. Given suppose this is the exam, students have to write down this question, now answer. What is given? First of all, write down the given condition. Question ma answer लेख्ने बेलामा solution लेख्ने बेलामा यो सार्नु पर्छ. What is given? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD, what do they do? Bisect each other. Bisect each other at G. O is any point joined to joined to A, B, C, D and G. O is joined to A, B, C, D and G. What to prove? To prove given, to prove is to prove vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OC plus vector OD equal 4 times vector OG. You have to prove OA plus OB plus OC plus OD equal 4 OG. To prove, no construction, no plan, prove. What proof? Using triangle law in different triangle. Left hand side equal OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. This is left hand side. अब कसरी प्रुभ गर्ने त? OA लाई चाहिँ हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? OG plus G. हामीले OA लाई OG plus GA. OA, OG plus GA plus OB. OB में OG plus GB. OC, तो OC भन्नाले OG plus GC. OG plus GC. In the same way, OD is OG plus GD. OG plus GD using the triangle law of vector addition in different triangle. Triangle OGA, OGB, OGC and ODB. OA equal OG plus GA, OB लिँदा OG plus GB, OC OG plus GC, OD भन्नाले OG plus GD using the triangle law in different triangles. OG and OG, write 4 OG vector plus it's like GA and GC are equal and opposite. So GA सँग GC लेख्ने, GA plus GC. According to Newton's third law of motion, GA and GC are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. GA र GC त्यसको भ्यालु इक्वल छ, म्याग्निट्युड इक्वल छ, तर डिरेक्सन अपोजिट छ. GA डिरेक्सन हेर्नु त यता गयो, GC यता बढ्यो. जस्ट 180 डिग्री एंगल, जस्ट अपोजिट, इक्वल एंड अपोजिट. इन द सेम वे GB and GD, GB vector plus GD vector. What? Arranging. यहाँ के गर्यो? Arranging गर्यो. 4OG is 4OG. GA plus GC, हेर्नु त, GA plus GC is 0. In the same way, GB plus GD is also 0. Why? Because GA and GC, comma, GB and GD are equal and opposite. Remember, GA is equal to GC, opposite in direction. GB and GD are equal in magnitude but opposite in directions. So GA plus GC is 0, GB plus GD is also 0. 4OG plus 0 plus 0. Because GA and GC are equal and opposite, GB and GD are equal and opposite. Now, after this, 4OG vector right hand side. Then, therefore, finally you can write vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OC plus vector OD equal 4 times vector OG. Proved. Vectorially proved. Explanation finally. ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD are two diagonals which bisect each other at G. O is any point. See, O is any point joined to A, B, C, D. OA, OB, OC, OD vector. You can suppose OA is A, OB is B, but not necessary. Left hand side, OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. OA भन्नाले OG plus GA. OA G मा लाने OG plus GA. OB OG plus GB. OC OG plus GC. In the same way, OD equal OG plus GD. OA OG plus GA. OB OG plus GB. OC OG plus GC. OD OG plus GD. using the triangle law of vector addition in different triangles. Triangle के मा OAG, OBG, OGC and OGD. Now OG, 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 4 OG plus arrange in such a way that the quantities are equal and opposite. GA and GC are equal and opposite. GB and GD are equal and opposite. Equal and opposite हुने गरी यहाँ राख्ने. 4OG, GA plus GC equal 0 because they are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. GB and GD. GB this direction, GD that direction. But remember, GB and DG are equal and not, they are equal magnitude and direction. GB र DG equal हुन्छ तर GB यो direction, GD opposite direction. Equal in magnitude, opposite in direction भएकोले GA plus GC 0, GB plus GD is also 0. 4OG plus 0 plus 0, 4OG, right hand side proved. Hence, vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OC plus vector OD equal 4AG proved. This was for today. Next time, some others.